Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send your money from Kucoin to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, and before I will start, I will tell you that Cash App only supports Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency you can send from Kucoin to Cash App. First of all, you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address from Cash App. Just click the bank icon on the bottom menu and click Bitcoin. Scroll a little bit down until you will see deposit Bitcoin option right here. So just click deposit Bitcoin and you will find your Bitcoin address. Just copy your wallet address, close Cash App, and now you can open Kucoin. Alright guys, you need to have your crypto in BTC. If you have any other cryptocurrency, you need to swap your crypto into BTC, guys. Just go to convert and swap your crypto, guys. So once you're done, then you can click assets on the bottom menu. Then on the top, you need to click funding, click withdrawal, search for BTC, Bitcoin. And in the second gap, you need to enter your wallet address. We just copied from Cash App. In the network, you need to select BTC. You need to enter the amount of BTC you want to send. As you can see, there's minimum withdrawal amount, which is 0.0012 BTC at the moment. So enter the amount of BTC you want to send, for example, 0.005. Then you need to click the withdraw button. There are some fees you can see on the bottom. So if everything is correct, you need to click the withdraw button, verify the transaction, and that's all, guys. You will send your crypto to your Cash App. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.